Okay, this one's going to be 94 to 97, and just a heads up, this is probably going to be a long video, as you can probably see by the time duration on it. 94 says in the diagram, circle M has a radius of 14 feet, circle A has a radius of 8 feet. ER is tangent to both of them, so that means they make a 90-degree angle down there. If NC is 17 feet, how much is ER? Okay, all right, well, here we go. So, 14 feet. So circle M has a radius of 14 feet. Okay, so that means from here, from here to here, it's 14 feet. It's really 14 feet this way also, but I don't really think that's going to matter right now. Okay, the other one's 8 feet. Okay, so circle A has 8 feet, right? So 8 feet, technically, because they're both radii. NC is how much? 17 feet? Okay. So 17 from here to here. So how much is ER? Really? That's not very helpful. Do we know anything else? They're 90-degree angles. We need something else. What? Okay, this doesn't make any sense. How am I supposed to find ER if I don't know something else about... Oh, duh. Okay. That's so silly. Okay, so this is 8 feet. Okay, so this part's 8 feet. So if the whole thing is 14, that gives me, whatever 18, 14 minus 8 is, I don't even know off the top of my head, 6. Okay, so that means this little part over here is 6. Okay, that makes more sense now. Okay, so that part's 6. So that gives me inside here, so the triangle that we want to deal with is, where's my pencil? So we're going to pull this triangle apart, like away from it. So we have, okay, this is going to be easy. So this is going to be 6. This is going to be what we want to find, right? There's a 90-degree angle right there, because technically that works out. And then 14 plus 17 plus 8. 14 plus 17 plus 8, that's 39. Okay, so your hypotenuse is going to be 39, and basically x, which is this part right here, is going to really just be the same thing as the distance from E to R. So use Pythagorean theorem, figure out what x is. Okay, 95. On graph paper, sketch a graph of the equation, state the x and y intercepts. Really? Okay, all right then. Graph paper time it is. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this really quickly as x minus 0 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25. So that means my center is going to be at 0 and 3, right? Because it's negative, so that means it's going to be positive out here. And then my radius is going to be equal 5, because 25 is 5 squared is 25. So I'm going to have a center at 0 and 3. I'm going to go out 5 in both directions, or all 4 directions, I should say. Okay, so let's see. So we have 0 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So there's the center. I'm going to go 5 out. Oh man, I should have changed the graph. It's not going to... Okay, let's do this over here. That should be better. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. There's my center. Radius is 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And I still have my compass. So I'm going to put a dot here. I'm going to hold it here. And I want to draw a circle with a radius of 5. Oh, that's awesome. I love the compass. Okay. Okay, so x-intercepts are at, let's see, looks like they're at here. There's one, there's another. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4, comma 0. That's one x-intercept. This one's at negative 4, comma 0. This one's at, so that's the x-intercepts, and then the y-intercepts are at 0 and negative 2, and then at, well, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 0, oh wait, 0 and 8. There we go. So there's your y-intercepts. The red ones and the purple ones are your x-intercepts. Alright, number 96. We have, okay, this is going to be a little weird. Review circle relationships as you answer those following questions. On graph paper, draw a diagram of circle B with AC. If AC is 80 degrees and the length of radius is 10, what's the length of the chord? Okay, so this is like the pizza slice. Okay, so I'm going to draw a circle really quickly. I'm going to use my compass because that makes things nice and pretty. Oh, look, we could do it on this one. Let's do this one. Okay, I'm going to put this down here, and then I'm going to turn this around here. Okay, yay. Oh, this one's probably going to need me